Sure, Audi have the Audi HomeLink option, but you don't know how to use it? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to open your garage door that can connect to HomeLink automatically via one button on the inside of your Audi, and also how to delete a programmed garage door. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Park your Audi directly in front of the garage door. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Go to Settings and Service. Click on Garage Door Opener. You will now enter the menu where you can install your garage door in the Audi MMI. To program your garage door, you will need to click on one of the available plus signs. Point the handheld transmitter to the interior mirror and press and hold the button on the handheld transmitter. The Audi will search for the signal, and if found, the Audi will ask to perform the synchronization for the garage door. Click on Yes, Synchronize Now. Press and hold the door icon in the right corner on the upper display at least twice for 2 seconds. If the garage door is moving, click on Yes. The garage door transmitter is now successfully programmed. Would you like to store the GPS position of the garage door? Click then on Yes, Store Now. Click again on Yes, Store Now. A new notification will pop up that the GPS position has been stored successfully. If you'd like to personalize the saved garage door name, click on Yes, Rename Now. You will now see a new notification with a recommendation to set an easily recognizable name. Click again on Yes, Rename Now. You can now type the name of your preference. By clicking on the OK button, you will save the name of your preference. The Audi HomeLink is now set and can be used by using this shortcut button. Would you like to delete or change the settings of the installed garage door in the Audi MMI? Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Go to Settings and Service. Click on Garage Door Opener. Click on the pencil in the right upper corner. If you click on the checkbox in the right, you can delete the saved settings of the installed garage door. If you click on the pencil on the right, you can change some settings or delete the saved garage door. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.